Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series about a bus experience or my experience in aviation. This is part 9 about computers. This is the today date, 19 January 2025. My photo, my channel, bus aviation, other channel here. 3 items I hope to comply. The subject today about certificates from YAT, Education Center in Egypt, Cairo. Here, Skill Up. This is site and web, online, but this face-to-face. This is the logo of YAT, and this is the logo of Skill Up. The first certificate here, so here the date, 1999. This is about programming. This is programming language. Access here, programming 97. Here, Visual Basic 6. Here, HTML, all these programming language here. I need programming in my work, in my job here. Note that my birth year is 1942. Take care, 1942. The date here, 1999. If you subtract the age, the year of birth and this, you will give my age at this time, about 58, 57, 59. Please take care about my age and the certificate, each certificate you will see. So this is about, this is programming. The other one here, this is about project plan. Project plan, I need this in my job and aviation to calculate the critical path, the priority of tasks, about the end, the start and end, to save time and save money. Look here, the date, 2001. Here, February 2001. The other certificate about also project plan, but not Microsoft. This is Primavera, the same thing, project plan. Here, June 2001. The other certificate here, this is the date here is October 2001. But this studied here all about graphics, freehand, 3D Max, Photoshop. Why study this? Is this useful for aviation? This certificate has a story. During my life, studied Microsoft Office in YAT. I preferred, instead of waiting here in a club or a coffee, why I take these studies beside here in another class, then return together to home. This is the story of this, okay? The last one here, this is not face-to-face, but online, from Skill Up site, online, about Excel, new studies about update and improved Excel. What is the date of this certificate here? Look here. This is the date, February 2000 or 2023. 2023, about 2 years ago. I am studied nowadays about programming with Python. I hope to complete it. So don't make restriction of your age in study. Continue your study and improve yourself. Self-study on YouTube, anything, but don't make restriction your age in study. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.